What's up, my man? I got something for you. I'm doing random acts of kindness today. That's $1,000 bucks. What are you gonna spend it on? Can we put you on film? Do you care? Hey, one day you gotta pay it forward to somebody else. You good? Some people say I shouldn't do stuff like this and put the videos public, not do it to show off. And there's some truth to that. Although I think there's so much negative media, it's okay to publish some positive stuff. Maybe it'll inspire somebody else. Here you go, ma'am. Random act of kindness today.
So much.
You're a single mom, you told us?
I'm a single mom. This is going to pay for my son's registration for kindergarten.
We're headed out.
That's it?
That's it.
God bless you.
Actually, let me put you here.
Thank you.
Pay it forward someday.
Don't worry, we will.
We're the opposite of a drive-by shooting. This is called a drive-by giveaway. My man, $1,000 bucks. There you go.
Right on.
He came by and he said he just gave me $1,000. Like, whoa! And it's crazy because I really do be watching him on TV and how he be inspiring people. And when he first brought it by, I was looking at his car like a Rolls Royce. Really? Like, whoa! This is crazy. Like that. Whoa! I never thought something would happen.
What are you gonna do with that?
First I'm gonna help my mama out first. And second, whatever I have left, I'll just spend it on me. $1,000 though, I'm finna cry. Like, I wanna do something like that when I grow up. When I get older, that's what I want to do. This is amazing. It's really amazing.
That man just handed us $1,000.
Yeah, it's very great. It's a good moment.
Hello.
I thought you were going to
That's
use
major.
I thought you were going to use it on the toy.
No, we're not buying toys. It's going to your school.
All right,
No,
thank
thank
you.
you. And I'm going to hug
All right.
you too. Thank you. What a day.
Bye-bye. Good show there, baby.